In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in a Volkswagen CC key fob. One thing to note here is that there are a few fobs for the Volkswagen models that look similar. So you can see I have this one right here, and the light, the indicator light, is right there on the middle. There's one that looks exactly like this, but the light is up here in the top right. That is a different fob, and it's going to be a different process to open it up and change the battery. So if you have that one, just go check down in the description, and there will be a link there for you that will take you over to a video for your fob. And this is also not to be confused with this fob that's also for the Volkswagen. Some Volkswagen models that has the oval buttons. So just getting right into this. First of all you will need to get this done is a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. And if you don't have one of these lying around, go ahead and check out that first link in the description. That will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these for a great price. All you want to do is flip out the internal key, excuse me, and then you can see this slot right in the middle of that keyhole. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it into there, and twist. And that will start to separate these two halves. You can now put the top to the side. Come over here in this little part that again was the keyhole. Just want to put your flathead in there, and holding the device, just gently apply a little bit of pressure. Let's see how we want to do this, like that. So just holding lightly as to not squeeze it down. What you want to do is just pry, and this back piece will come off, and there you go. You have your battery. And there is a little opening up here in the top. You can see right there. You can use the same screwdriver just to gently get under the battery and lift it up and out. And once you have your battery out, you can of course dispose of your old battery and grab your new CR2032. When you're ready to put it in, make sure that this positive side that has the text on it is facing down. You'll just simply click that into place, positive side down. Now all we need to do is reassemble the key fob. So just go ahead and squeeze these two pieces back together. Take this and slide it right in. Squeeze down until it snaps into place. And with that, you are finished. If you'd like, you can make sure that this indicator light is coming on, which will show you that you did everything correctly and your battery has juice, and you are good to go. If you liked this video, feel free to leave it a like or let me know down in the comments section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, we have you covered here on this channel with tutorials just like this one. And you can also get all this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.